viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to solve this kind of question. How to form an equation whose roots are alpha beta plus beta and alpha beta minus what? Alpha minus beta. The main idea in this kind of question, if you are going to form an equation, if you are given the roots, you have to first let the roots to be either x1 or x2 or lambda 1 or lambda 2. After then, you have to, between the lambda 1 and lambda 2, that you let the first root and second root, you have to make them to be the sum of the root and product of the root. Like to say lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Let me show you. Let lambda 1, it will be equals to alpha beta plus what? Alpha plus beta. And lambda 2, it will be equals to what? Alpha beta minus alpha minus beta. So if you let it, then find the product and sum of the root of what? Of the equation that you have been given. For instance, I'm giving this x squared minus what? Minus px plus q, it will be equals to 0. So I have to find the sum of the root and product of the root of this what? Of this equation. The sum of the root, which is x alpha plus beta, it will be equals to minus b over c. So therefore, the value of b, the coefficient of b, this is a, this is b, and this is c. The coefficient of b, it is what? It is p. So therefore, minus what? Minus p divided by what? 1. A, which is x squared, which is the same thing as 1. So therefore, the negative, it will become false. So therefore, it will become equals to what? P. So therefore, the sum of the roots, which is what? Which is equals to p. And then find the product of the root, which is what? Alpha beta. Therefore, the alpha beta, it is equals to c over e. Yes. So therefore, the value of c, which is what? Q, and the value of what? A, which is 1. So therefore, it will be equals to q. So therefore, the alpha beta, it is what? It is q. So the next thing that you are going to do, you have to remove the p and q and insert the sum and product of what? Alpha and, okay, sorry, lambda 1 and lambda 2. So therefore, I have x squared minus the value of p. I have to say that lambda 1 plus lambda 2 of x plus what? Plus lambda 1 multiplied by what? Multiplied by lambda 2, and it is equals to 0. Yes. So I have to find lambda 1 plus lambda 2. I have to first find the value of what? Lambda 1. What is the value of lambda 1? The value of lambda 1, it will be equals to what? This is my lambda 1. The alpha beta, it is q. So therefore, q plus what? Plus alpha plus beta, the sum of the roots, which is the value of p. And therefore, plus what? Plus lambda 2. Let me say this is lambda 2. So the value of lambda 2, which is alpha beta, the value of alpha beta, which is q, and therefore alpha minus beta. I'm having just alpha plus beta. So if I'm asked to find, if I really asked to find the value of alpha minus beta, so therefore I just have to add negative sign and say minus p. So this is the value of what? Lambda 2. I hope you get it clear. So therefore I have to plus them. So if I plus lambda 1 and what? Lambda 2, it will be equals to what? Q plus P, and therefore plus what? Q minus P. So therefore plus P minus P, they will cancel each other. It will be equals to what? Q1, Q plus Q, it will be equals to what? 2Q. So therefore automatically the value of this, it is what? 2Q. Value of what? Lambda 1 plus what? Lambda 2, it is what? 2q. So let me find the value of this. So I have lambda 1, which is q plus what? P, and lambda 2, which is what? Which is q minus what? Minus p. So I have to multiply them because they say what? Lambda 1 multiplied by lambda, because it is the same thing as what? As product of the roots. So therefore q multiplied by q, it will be equals to q squared. Q multiplied by P, it will be equals to plus QP or PQ. So therefore, P multiplied by it will be what? It will be what? Okay, yes. If I said q multiply, okay, here I have negative sign, sorry for that. If I say q multiplied by q, it will give me positive q squared, and q multiplied by p, I have negative sign. Plus times negative, it will become negative. So therefore, this times this, p multiplied by q, it will give me what? Positive what? qp. And therefore, p multiplied by negative p, it will give me p squared negative. And this will cancel this. So therefore, I have q squared minus p squared. So this is the sum of the root, and this is the product of the root of what? Of lambda 1 and lambda 2. So therefore, the equation that I form is that I have to say this will be equals to x squared minus what? Minus 2p plus what? Plus q squared minus p squared, it will be equals to 0. So this is the equation that I formed in what? In this question. If this video is helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and comment and share to your learning colleagues to learn more about what? Symmetrical functions of root. Thank you for watching.